Hi everyone, I'm Dale. I'm going to talk you through the booking system. So hopefully you can see the booking page. So when you click the link in the email that I've sent you, you'll come to a page that looks like this. You scroll down and it explains the two options on how to book. You book the full term, which is 7 classes. It has a discount in it. It's the easiest way to book, but you cannot swap. The system doesn't let you transfer if you do it like that, your classes. Or you book individually. So each class you have to put into your basket individually, and once you get to 7, it will give you your discount. Okay, so if we scroll down a little bit further, you can see the schedule and you can see the list of classes. For example, Monday, you've got a 9 a.m., 10, 11, then that's the Wednesday, Great Bedouin, and so on. Okay, so let's go, for example, that I want to book in at 10 o'clock on Monday. As explained to me, it's an intermediate class and it's a mobility, so I've described it like that. I've reserved you a space and I've given you a code. So you guys can only get in to the classes with the codes that I've given you. Okay, so let's press on this class and you'll see it tells you what it's called, it tells you where it is, and it's got all the course dates here. Okay, so you can check those, start and finish, a little bit about the class, instructions on what to bring, and then you scroll to the bottom and it tells you what the two options that you can buy it as. So you can buy it full term, no swapping. So, or you can buy it as individual classes, where you can have flexibility on swapping. So let's just go for option 1, which is the easiest one. You're just going to select that, and you'll notice up here it will go into your basket. Okay, so you just press the basket, brings you to this page. You can see all of the dates are in here. You move down, you press book now. Your page will look slightly different because this is the administrator page. You might have to put your code in now. So at some point it'll ask you for the code that I've emailed you. Put your, this is the bookings contact. So that's the person who's booking, puts their email in there. You selected, continue. It might ask you for a few more details like your date of birth, address, but you'll only have to put that in once. Next time you won't have to put those details in. You selected and then continue. And you'll come to the payment page and you should see down here it says pay by card. And you see that it's £70, you press that. And then you just put your card details in and press pay. Okay, so once you've paid, you should receive one email confirming your purchase. Right, so I'm going to quickly scroll back and pretend we haven't done it like that. I'm going to just scroll back to the booking page. Right, so back on the booking page, and we want to be able to swap. So we're going to have to book each single class in individually. So we go to that class that we wanted, the first one. You press on it. You come down here. You can see what the course dates are, but we want to book them individually. So we need to select the single class. So select it, and you'll see up here it comes into your basket at a price of £12. So you need to scroll back and get the next date. So you can see that this one has gone in, it's yellow and it's got a little basket, so it's in your basket. So let's go to the next one. So we were doing Mondays at 10. So let's just press that one. You have to go back each time and select it. And you'll notice once you've selected it, number 2 goes into your basket up here. It also shows you on here the ones that you have in your basket. So we know we need to go to the next one underneath the yellow. It was Monday, mixed ability, 10 o'clock. So we'll take that one again. And we've got to go back. So it's slightly longer winded, but once you get the hang of it, I don't actually think it's too tricky. But I'm here if you need me, if you get stuck. Just remember, you're already reserved, so you won't lose your space. Okay, so we go down to the next one, Mondays at 10. And pop it in your basket. Back up, find the yellow one, move back down, Mondays at 10. Select. Find the yellow one, move to the next one, Mondays at 10. Select it. Right, so you notice up here now you've got 6. So that's 6 classes and it's £72. So on the next one, number 7, it should discount it. So I need to press the button show more because the date isn't there. So let's press that. Right, so it was Monday and it was at 10. So let's press that one. Remember, you've got to select it for it to go into your basket. And there you go. So you've got your discount there. So you press this, takes you to this page. You've got that opportunity to check if you've accidentally popped one in that you didn't mean. It will come up in bold. It will show you in bold that you put something else in. Just check through all the ones that you wanted. You've got your discount. I'm going to book now. And at some point it's going to ask you for the code. So that's not the discount code, it's a different code. A reservation code. Okay, so back to the same page as before. Pop in your email. Select. Here's all the details. Continue. And then we're back to the payment page. Paper card. Pop your card details in and just pay. So this time, once you paid, you'll get 7 individual emails. And on each of those emails, you'll have the opportunity to go into that. And on those emails, there'll be a button that says transfer. So you'll be able to click on that button and it will then have a drop down and show you which classes have spaces in it for you to transfer. You're not going to be able to do that now because I've locked all the classes, given everyone reservation codes. So I want everyone to book in, be able to book in. And then once everyone's booked in, I'll remove the codes and you'll be able to see where the spaces are. I'm pretty sure that Mondays at 9 and at 10 are quite full at the moment, but that might actually change. I don't know if everyone is going to book back in with me. So that's it. Like I said, any problems at all, just call me and I'll help.